Kisses. Give her hugs and kisses. Oh, she fell over.
She fell over.
Oh, she fell over. And give her belly rubs. Wiener likes belly rubs, huh? She got squishy belly? Yeah. Don't push on her tummy. Good job. Good petting, Grace. Now what's she doing? Is she sleeping?
I see it. I
Nothing
see
there.
it.
You gotta go play with Wiener more. Go to China, Wiener, dig! Dig to China, Wiener!
Giant wiener.
Dig to China, Wiener.
The giant wiener. She fell
She
over.
fell over again.
The wiener, who told you?
See, Wiener, what are you doing? Atticus, no.
Come over here, my dad.
Come on, Wiener, come on. Back over to Gracie's bed. Atticus, that's enough. So get back in my bed. Yep, time to cuddle. Get her, Wiener, get her. No, honey, I don't want you. Let's go get Grace. Go get Grace. Get her. She's sniffing your ears.
Sniffing my ear. She lay down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She's taking a lot of crap from you. Give her hugs. Oh, careful, don't lay on her. Come on, Wiener.
Come over here, my dad.
Hey, come on, Wiener. No, not me. Go with
Not
Grace.
me.
You call her Grace.
Not Jamie. Me over me. Hey? Over here. Over
Come on, Wiener.
here.
Come on, Wiener. Wiener, come.
Wiener, come.
Where's she going? Come on, Wiener. We see you in there. Let's go. Right here. No, go sit down.
Go sit down. Wiener, go sit down.
And pet her nice. And give her kisses. Can you give Wiener kisses? Oh, that's nice. Nice and gentle.
Wiener, house. One, two, three. Come on.
Did 3 of her colors come off?
Yeah.
I don't know, Grace. It looks like she's kind of pleading with me to save her. Where's she going? She's out of here.
Come over here.
I think she's done. You maybe want to watch your puppy movie?